Hello you guys, welcome to an unboxing for A Star is Born in 4K. It's starring Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga and includes with digital copy. So here's the front cover, the spine, and the back. Pause that if you want to read the synopsis. It says passionate, emotional, and fearless. Quoted by Kenneth Tron, Los Angeles Times. And its special features include songs and performances not seen in theaters, The Road to Stardom, Making a Star is Born, music videos. And you hear is a perfect shot of Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper. Movies Anywhere. And it's rated R, Dolby Atmos, and Dolby Vision. I don't have that type of set, so yeah. And let's open this. Crap. Oh, it's open from the side. Yep, I'll need that pencil. I know the disc is like this, so I gotta open it real quick. And I know the digital copy is inside. And once you open it, you get the Blu-ray and you get the DVD. Oh, not DVD. Sorry. The 4K Ultra HD of A Star is Born. That's weird. Oh, I guess it was the 4K disc. Come on. Wonder why. And that's the unboxing for A Star is Born. Comment if you guys like this movie or any questions about the unboxing. And peace.